For your success, guys, to approach any girl you want and get any female you want, and you will get that. Who said that you cannot get? You can be just only block for yourself to not approach. The only reason why you're not getting success with girls and women is just you stopping yourself. Let's remove all bad mindset of beta male and let's install alpha man mindset from our book How to Become an Alpha Man, and pick up online training courses. Links are below. For your success, guys, the ability to approach any female you want anytime and seduce. Coffee is awesome thing. Let's drink coffee for your success. Look, your life is very structured. From 0 age till 18 years old, you will go to high school, you will get degree, and maybe on 19 years old or on 18 years old, maybe you will remove your virginity. But it will depend what the mindset you will have and how many time and money you already been spent on trainings and getting girls. So until 25 years old, until 22 years old, you will have just 4 years from 18 years old till 22 years old to change girls, because after 22 years old you will get a long-term relationship with a girl and you will need to create a family. We always recommend on Alphamantraining to create a family because, you know, it will make you happy. You know, you will have your kids and you reproduce yourself. So do that. You know, your time is very limited. You have 4 years. After, you know, 26 years old, you will start, you know, growing your family, and on 30 years old, you know, you probably, you know, will do other stuff. If you haven't created a family, so you will create a family on 30 years old. So when you will be 50 years old, your kids will be 20 years old. So, and you know, after 50 years old, you will do new activities. Maybe you'll fly to new cities just, you know, to relax yourself. Maybe you will grow some plants. Maybe you will be a village guy. Who knows, you know, what happened. But look, just 4 years. Like, you need to invest. You need to do action. You need to sit in a car, drive. You need to walk, do action. You need to place yourself at those places where are those women and talk to them eyes to eyes, because your time is limited, man. Otherwise, unsuccess, failure is waiting for you. No woman, no removed virginity, boring life, no family, no kids. You wanna that? Of course no. Look, on our side are waiting amazing lifestyle. The woman will be happy because you will stop a car, will take her for a dance, like you will surprise, you will be unpredictable guy. you will become expert with women after AMT products. So go to alphamantraining.com from 0 to 10. All the steps, invest into all products, start to learn, and after 1 year, probably you will become expert with women.
Atvyksta į loftą Gargaras Kaune. Man atrodo, Gargarą atskirai pristatinėti niekam nereikia, visi puikiai žino, kokio masto renginiai ten vyksta. Tad paminėsiu tik vieną svarbų dalyką, jog visi norintys gali jau dabar įsigyti išankstinius bilietus į renginį visose Ticket Pro kasose.
For your future success and for amazing dances, kiss closes, turning on for sex women, making them happy, we recommend you to approach women and make them happy by using AMT systems, turn them on for sex, and have sex with them on the same day, for same day less.
Lights out su Kašiu Chlora ir Donatello.
So, links are below, add to cart now and invest, never afraid.